Good day and welcome to my channel. This is Beyond the Veil with Miss Flame, and I'm speaking about the awareness of darkness within the human beings without having to go to a traditional healer. So, for those who doesn't know me, I'm Miss Flame, and I'm representing this channel. So, the last video I made was about you who are not behind your eyes. That you are not the observer, but you are the awareness, the consciousness through the observer. And we are going to talk about in this video about what is real, what is reality. So I want you to ask, or I want to ask you, have you ever wondered? Have you ever wondered how do you know what is real? Because you wake up in the morning, the world feels solid. You touch it, you breathe it, you walk through it, but then you sleep. And you find yourself in another world, a one that feels just as real. You see colors, you cry, you laugh, you fear, and when you wake, you call it just a dream. But while it was happening, didn't it feel the same? Didn't your heart still race? Didn't your soul still believe? Maybe what you call reality is only another dream. A longer, a more convincing one. Because in both dreams and waking life, you experience. You see, you feel, you remember, and all of it happens in the same place within you. But you say this is a dream. But you have experienced the things that could happen, or that should or could happen in a real life, because you use your eyes is closed and you see people in your dreams almost like it is in a reality. You're experiencing things like emotions that went through in your dream, but it is just a dream. But when your eyes is open, you also experiencing things. But why can't you say this is also a dream? Because it feels the same as it is or were in your dreams. In dreams, your mind creates entire worlds. It creates entire worlds, because in your dreams you can be in 2, 3, 4 different areas. You can find yourself here, you can find yourself there. You see even people you haven't seen when you are awake. You're experiencing things that you can't even explain. Why have I dreamed of it? But yet when you are awake, you said it is just a dream. but it feels like reality. The emotions, the things you went through, it feels real. So in waking life, your senses feed your stories. The things that you are experiencing when you are awake, that is your senses who is experiencing these things, and it feed you stories of light and sound. But whether it's your eyes or your imagination, the experience still happens in the same space, like your awareness. That real you who is the I am, that is the awareness. So how can you tell which one is real? The one where you are sleeping, is that a real life? Because you're experiencing the things that you are experiencing even when your eyes is open. So why can't you tell that the things you're experiencing when your eyes is open is also a dream? Because it is the same. It feels the same. You can even see pictures when your eyes closed, but it feels the same. So how can you tell which one is real? You can't. You can't tell, not through the eyes. Only the one behind the eyes knows. The one we call the awareness that watches both dream and waking life. That's the true you. The observer who never sleeps. The spirit that watches everything come and go. Maybe reality and dream are not opposites. Maybe they are mirrors. Maybe they are reflections of the same truth, but both created by consciousness. Both teaching the spirit to wake up. Because when you realize you are the dreamer behind them both, that's when you finally awaken. So, I want you to figure out what is real and what is not. Because when you are sleeping and you dream, it also feels real, like when you are awake and you're having the same experiences like when you are awake. So, what is real and what is not? So, if you want me to go on with this topic, I want you to comment in the comment section whatever you feels like, or you want me to speak about in my next video. So for those who doesn't know me, I'm Miss Flame and I'm representing Beyond the Veil with Miss Flame. I want you to like and to subscribe to this channel and even ring that notification bell so you can be notified when I have uploaded another video. I'm out and God bless.